Welcome to our channel, Top 10 Mysteries. Today, we are taking you on a spine-chilling journey around the world. From cursed castles to mysterious islands, these locations have harrowing stories that are sure to give you goosebumps. These are documented paranormal hotspots, where the veil between our world and the spectral realm is thin. दोस्तन, आज हम दुनिया के सबसे भयानक और haunted जगहों की कहानी लेकर आए हैं. Are you ready to confront the unknown? Are you ready? Our haunted journey begins at the Tower of London. Built in 1078, this ancient fortress has witnessed gruesome executions, murders, and betrayals. यहाँ पर बहुत सी आत्माएं बसती हैं, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा डरावनी कहानी अनेबोलिन की है, जिसका सर काट दिया गया था. लोग कहते हैं कि आज भी रात को उसकी आत्मा बिना सर के यहाँ भटकती है. Many visitors have reported seeing the ghost of Anne Boleyn, the second wife of King Henry VIII, wandering the grounds, holding her severed head. The tower guards have reported encounters with other spectral figures, unexplained noises, and even physical contact. Is it residual energy from the countless atrocities committed here? Or are these spirits trapped, unable to escape their horrific pasts? Next, we move to France, where the stunning Chateau de Brissac hides a dark secret. Known as the Giant of the Loire Valley, this grand castle is haunted by the ghost of the Green Lady. Green Lady का नाम Charlotte था, जिसे 15वीं सदी में अपने पति ने कत्ल कर दिया था. आज भी लोग कहते हैं कि उसकी आत्मा यहाँ दिखाई देती है और लोगों ने उसके चीखने की आवाज सुनी है. Legend has it that Charlotte, the Green Lady, was the mistress of a 15th century lord. Guests have reported seeing her ghostly apparition, dressed in a green gown, her face disfigured in death. Many claim to hear her blood-curdling screams late at night, a chilling reminder of the brutal end she met within the castle she can never leave. In Mexico, we have one of the creepiest places on earth, the Island of the Dolls. Located near Mexico City, this island is covered in old, mutilated dolls that hang from the trees, their vacant eyes staring out from the foliage. ये जगह तब मशहूर हुई जब एक आदमी ने यहाँ एक छोटी बच्ची को डूबते हुए देखा. उसके बाद से ये dolls की आत्माओं का घर बन गई. Legend has it that the island's caretaker, driven mad by the drowning death of a young girl, began hanging the dolls to appease her spirit. Visitors claim these dolls blink, move their heads, and whisper eerie messages when no one is around. The air is thick with a palpable sense of dread, an oppressive feeling that you're being watched by hundreds of lifeless eyes. Is it the power of suggestion or something more sinister? One thing's for sure, the Island of the Dolls is not for the faint of heart. In the Venice Lagoon, we find Poveglia Island, often called the most haunted island in the world. This small island served as a quarantine station during the plague and was later a mental asylum. कहते हैं यहाँ हजारों लोगों की मौत हुई थी और उनकी आत्माएं आज भी यहाँ से जाने वालों को तंग करती हैं. Thousands upon thousands of souls perished here, their bodies burned in mass graves or left to rot. The tortured souls of plague victims and asylum patients are said to haunt the island, and locals refuse to set foot here. Fishermen steer clear, afraid their nets will snag not on fish, but on human bones. It's as if the island itself is rejecting life, forever scarred by the horrors it has witnessed. In Louisiana, USA, we find the Myrtles Plantation, one of America's most haunted homes. Built in 1796, this plantation is believed to be the site of at least 10 murders, its elegant facade hiding a heart of darkness. लोग कहते हैं यहाँ एक नौकरानी क्लोई की आत्मा भटक रही है, जो जहर से दो छोटी बच्चियों को मार दिया था. Chloe's ghost, a former slave who reportedly poisoned the plantation owner's family, is one of many that visitors claim to encounter. Guests have reported seeing small handprints on mirrors, hearing children's laughter echoing through the halls, and feeling an unnatural coldness in certain rooms. The Myrtles Plantation stands as a haunting reminder of the South's dark past, where slavery and violence cast long shadows that linger to this day. At the foot of Mount Fuji lies the Aokigahara Forest, also known as Japan's Suicide Forest. This dense woodland has a tragic reputation, as many people come here to take their own lives. ये जंगल इतना खौफनाक है कि यहाँ जाने वाले अक्सर रास्ता भूल जाते हैं। लोग कहते हैं यहाँ आत्माएं भटकती हैं और लोगों को अपने साथ ले जाने की कोशिश करती हैं। Locals believe the forest is haunted by the spirits of those who died there, and visitors report hearing eerie whispers and footsteps in the silence. They say the spirits try to lure unsuspecting visitors off the path, deeper into the woods, where they become hopelessly lost. Whether you believe in the supernatural or not, there's no denying the tragic energy that permeates Aokigahara. Up next is Edinburgh Castle in Scotland, one of the most haunted castles in the world. The ancient fortress has a long, bloody history of wars, executions, and sieges. कहते हैं इस कासल में एक पाइपर की आत्मा है जो अपनी बंसुरी बजाता है, और लोगों ने कभी-कभी बिना सर के घोड़े पे सवार सिपाही को भी देखा है. Many visitors have reported strange sounds, ghostly apparitions, and unexplained cold spots within the castle. The ghost of a headless drummer, who only appears when the castle is under threat, is said to still roam the grounds. Others have encountered the spectral piper, who vanished while exploring the castle's tunnels centuries ago. Edinburgh Castle is a place where history comes alive, but not always in a pleasant way. In Canada, we find the luxurious but haunted Banff Springs Hotel. This hotel, located in the Rocky Mountains, is the site of many ghost stories, including that of a bride who fell down the stairs and died on her wedding day. लोग कहते हैं यहाँ एक दुल्हन की आत्मा दिखाई देती है, जो अपने शादी के दिन सीढ़ियों से गिर गई थी. Guests have reported seeing her ghostly figure, dressed in a white gown, descending the grand staircase, her face forever frozen in a mask of terror. Guests have also reported seeing a bellman who mysteriously vanishes when they try to tip him. Is it the breathtaking scenery or the tragic history that attracts the supernatural? Whatever the reason, the Banff Springs Hotel reminds us that even in the most opulent settings, darkness can lurk just beneath the surface. This former prison in Philadelphia, USA, was once the most famous and expensive prison in the world. Eastern State Penitentiary housed some of the most dangerous criminals, but it was its system of solitary confinement that truly broke the spirit. लोग कहते हैं ये जेल में कैदी अब भी यहाँ का रूप लेकर लोगों को डराते हैं. The silence, once a tool of punishment, is now filled with the whispers of the tormented souls who spent their days in isolation, their cries for help unanswered. Visitors often report hearing eerie footsteps, loud banging, and the apparitions of former inmates wandering the dark halls. Eastern State Penitentiary stands as a grim reminder of the dark side of human nature, a place where even the most hardened criminals were driven to madness by the crushing weight of their solitude. And finally, we come to Bangor Fort in India, one of the most haunted places in the world. According to legend, a black magic sorcerer cursed the fort, leading to its destruction and the deaths of all who resided within. कहते हैं इन भंगार में कोई रात को नहीं रुकता, क्योंकि यहाँ भूत प्रेत की आत्माएं बसती हैं. सरकार ने यहाँ रात को आने पर भी पाबंदी लगाई है. Locals believe that anyone who stays overnight in Bangor never returns, their souls claimed by the curse. Unexplained shadows move across the walls, disembodied voices whisper on the wind, and the temperature drops suddenly, sending chills down your spine. Bangor Fort stands as a chilling testament to the power of fear and superstition. So, would you dare to visit any of these haunted places? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Top 10 Mysteries, for more spine-chilling content. क्या आप इन जगहों में से किसी जगह जाने की हिम्मत रखते हैं? कमेंट्स में बताएं और हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. Remember, sometimes the scariest things aren't what go bump in the night, but the stories we tell ourselves in the dark.